Mutino uyu urahanikire thaa 3 cia utuku riria ngari ino irambataga kirima kiri itura riu ria Metkei. Itura ria Metkei barabara-ini ya kuma Eldoret rorete Eldamaravine niho thabari ya thii 11 iratinikire na marakua na gutiga andu angi 3 na nguraro.
Tumepoteza manaibu wawili wa chief. Ni machirani wametoka mkutano ya county uko Iten.
Ngari ino kuratwikira atire mwerekera ikigiria kwambatira kirima handu hoikaine ta HZD na niho iracokire kugaragara na gutunya muoyo andu 8 hau na angi 3 marathinekanio ni gikuma roretio thibitari-ini wa Moi Teaching Referral.
So far out of the 14 in the vehicle, we have I can confirm we had 14 in the vehicle. 3 are still being given treatment, but 11, I'm sorry, we lost them.
Aria mareyonire mutino uyu kihanika kurekwirwo ndereba wa ngari ino ndarari na umenyo muiganu wa kona cia barabara ino.
Kwanza kasoro ya kwanza ni potholes around the place, not even within the place. Uko mbele kuna potholes. Kuna accident ilitokea hivi majuzi between a motorbike rider and a Nissan. Jamaa motorbike alijaribu kuepa pothole akapatana na Nissan.
These are the people who are going home after doing their normal course, and it is suddenly that they didn't arrive to their homes, especially that they were just some few steps to where they were supposed to alight.
Aria maikaraga hakuhi na matura maya ni maikiti ihoya ria kwathikirwo mihinga na cionereria barabara-ini cia kuonereria matereba.
Ningependa kuambia watumizi wa barabara hasa madereva wakuwe waangalifu kwa hii sehemu yenye iko na sharp corner, kwa sababu hapa ndo hutokea ajali mara kwa mara.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rito riakwa ni Julius Kareithi wa Munene.